superiors have said it all, and our statement is one and the same, and that is to give the people of Uganda hope and to assure them of security and peaceful election. Before voting, some people are declaring themselves as the winners. And therefore that means the announcement that is contrary to what they have already put out would mean cheating, you know, and that causes a lot of problems.
Mukogera keye gwanga Ssabaduumizi wa poliisi IGP Martin Okoth Ochola annyonnyodde ku kyabannamawulire okuvaayo nga bagamba nti batulugunyizibwa wakati nga bakola emirimu gyabwe ate bo ng'ebitongole by'okwerinda baliwo kubakuuma nga bakola emirimu gyabwe era bagamba nti bannamawulire be baboonenera erinnya nga boboogerako ebitali bituufu.
When we tell a journalist, please don't go there, you are insisting you want to go and get the news there. That's what happens. Cooperate with us. We need you. We need you. You need us. It is not that we are targeting the media. No. We are trying to protect your lives. We are telling you there's a danger there. For you are insisting you must go where there's a danger. Yes, we shall beat you for your own sake.
Ate ye minisita w'ebyokwerinda mu ggwanga Adolphe Mwesigwa yennyamidde olw'embeera poliisi gyetaweebwamu kitiibwa mu ggwanga ate nga bannansi baliwo okugondera biragiro n'amateeka ag'abakuumaddembe.
I have seen political actors from NUP attacking police officers. This can only happen in Uganda. It can't happen anywhere in any jurisdiction. Because police is supposed to be respected and obeyed under all circumstances. Because if a police officer says, stop, don't move beyond this point, you cannot say, I'm going to move, whoever you are.
Ye minisita w'ensonga z'omunda mu ggwanga General Jeje Odongo asuubizza bannansi nga bwe bagenda okukola ekisoboka okukuuma akalulu ak'emirembe era tebabaako na kye beeraliikirira.
The social media in Uganda. The challenge, of course, is you are traditional media houses. The law is very clear how you are dealt with. But the challenge that the social media presents is that they are a world of their own. As if that is not enough, we are now faced with the challenge of what we call citizen journalism.
Bw'atyo bw'asabye bannansi okwewala obuvuyo era ategeezezza nti abakuumaddembe beetegese okukola kwabo abanaakola effujjo.
Of what we call citizen journalism. You take a note of this. We are discussing how best to handle it because we do know social media propaganda is certainly not to the best of this country's security.
Okulonda kwa kutandika sabbiiti ejja ng'ennaku z'omwezi 14 nga tutandika n'omukulembeze w'eggwanga wamu n'ababaka ba paalamenti. Ramla Katumba ku STV Select ey'enjawulo.